Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. And this video is all about affiliate marketing and the OLSP Academy. Okay, so I've been at OLSP Academy for several years, but I took a couple of years off because I had some health issues and things. But I recently got back into OLSP Academy, and this academy was founded by Wayne Crow, who has been in this affiliate marketing, make money online, creating courses, creating trainings, doing all kinds of affiliate marketing. He's been doing this for, I think, about 20 years now. OLSP Academy has been around for at least 10 years, and thousands of people have gone through the academy and learned all about affiliate marketing and how to earn commissions. Well, this is my back office right here of OLSP Academy, and I wanted to show you what progress I've made so far in the past 30 days with OLSP Academy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my affiliate tab here, and it's going to show some income results. I just want to let you know as a disclaimer that my results are not typical, and you could earn more, you could earn less, or you could earn nothing. It all depends on the effort, the work that you put into doing what needs to be done in order to earn commissions with OLSP Academy. So let me go ahead and click on that link, on that tab right there. So right now it's showing I have an available balance of $45.86 with $20 pending. Lifetime is $680. You can ignore that lifetime because most of those commissions came like a few years ago when I was still active with it. But let me go to my dashboard real quick. Okay, so let me scroll down here to withdrawals. Okay, I'm going to block some of this information out because it's got like my personal information in here. I did make a withdrawal request, and I did receive my withdrawal back on July the 9th. Okay, this was my first withdrawal, okay, after being in this for like 30 days. The amount that I withdrew was $99.50. This is from 6 transactions, and it went to my Wise account, okay? And as you can see, it says completed. And like that previous amount of $546, that was from like a few years ago, like a couple of years ago. So that's like the legacy amount right there. So you can ignore that. But so far I got a deposit of $99.50. Right now I have $45.86 available with $20 pending. And in the first 30 days, I wasn't like completely focused on OLSP Academy. I was promoting 2 different offers, OLSP Academy and the Home Business Academy. I'm still in the Home Business Academy, but I've decided to change my strategy where I am going to promote OLSP Academy on the front end because, you know, there's a lower barrier of entry. You can create a free account in OLSP Academy and get started and actually start earning commissions within 10 minutes of joining. So that's what I'm going to do, is promote OLSP on the front end, and on the back end, when I'm sending my emails to my list, after a while I'll start sending like an email about the Home Business Academy, which goes into a different direction. You get a page builder with Home Business Academy. You get Traffic Maestro, which helps you to create emails, videos, short form videos for like social media posts, how to do, it'll help you with Facebook posts, all of that, okay? There's a lot of AI tools that you get when you join the Home Business Academy, especially if you join their premium subscription, their premium membership, and they have training like 5 days a week. Here with OLSP Academy, it's more focused on promoting affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing products that you can promote and earn commissions on, okay? So if you're interested in joining OLSP Academy, all you have to do is click the link below the video here in the description area. I'll also leave a link to this page. In the comments, it'll be the pinned comment. So what you can do is they have this new thing called the 10-minute commission challenge with OLSP Academy. So you can join OLSP for free and discover a simple step-by-step method designed to help you earn your first commission online in as little as 10 minutes. So all you have to do is put in your first and last name, your email address, verify that you're a human, and then click on yes, I want to take the free 10-minute challenge. And I think the 10-minute challenge is 3 days long, but it's not one where you have to wait the next day in order to do the second day challenge, whatever. Whenever you complete the first challenge, you can just move on to the second day challenge, okay? So this is what you get with this challenge. You discover how to get paid for doing something you've already done thousands of times. You learn how to go viral even if you don't have a big audience or advertising budget. You follow a guided 10-minute action plan that takes you directly towards your first commission. And you start as a complete beginner. No product, no website, or technical experience is required. So this is an excellent way for a beginner in affiliate marketing to get started 100% free and start earning commissions in as little as 10 minutes. So I'm really excited about OLSP Academy and the direction they've been going in lately. And Wayne Crow is my mentor. He is a fantastic teacher when it comes to affiliate marketing. He knows his stuff. He's made millions of dollars in this industry, okay? And not just as an affiliate marketer, but also as a product creator. So he's created lots of products that he's sold, and he's made millions of dollars. So if you're ready to get started with this 10-minute commission challenge, go ahead, click the link in the description area, or click the link in the pinned comment in the comment section. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.